Lord, everyone. This is First Lady Lorenza Saucer of Restoration Church of Jesus Christ. We're located in Dayton, Ohio, where the pastor and founder is Elder Steve Saucer. This past summer, I formally launched our women's ministry titled Soul Sisters. SOUL is an acronym for showing our unconditional love, and it is through love that we empower the women to walk in their purpose and the will of God. I am so excited about what the Lord has given me for this upcoming year that is fastly approaching us. 2018, we are going to be restoring the temple. It's mind, body, and soul 30-day devotional. If you don't have our church app, please make sure you download it so that way you can get all the instructions and prayers for this devotional. That will be starting January 2nd until the 31st. It's not just for the women of Restoration, but it's for all women. So make sure you download the app, and also make sure you go to our Facebook page and like our Facebook page so that you can get any of the updates that are occurring in our ministry. I'm looking forward to what God is going to do in the women all around the world that partake in this devotional. I'm looking for you to be whole. I'm looking for you to be complete. I'm looking for you to be restored. God bless you, and know that we love you and you can do absolutely nothing about it. God bless you.